Hello, I'm Amy Gratian.
And I am Benjamin Mitchell. Today we will be talking about the different types of water around the world.
First, I'll be able to show you a video.
You seeing this?
Yes, I am, Benj. Could I please have the SPD now?
SPD, nobody move. Drop the bottled water now. Put your hands in there. Alright, you, my friend, unfortunately will have to pay a $4,000 citation.
So I get this $4,000?
No, you have to pay us $4,000.
Okay, $4,000.
Thank you. Alright,
Now I just can't move it up.
move one direction, get out of here. Go, shoot. Thank you, SPD. You may leave now so we can get back to our show.
But I need my bottled water.
You can get it from the faucet, can't you?
Okay, but my house is 2 hours away.
Deal with it. Just go to your house.
Okay.
Now back to the video. This video is about how water changes everything.
Water. It's life's most basic need. But there's a water crisis in our world right now. Seriously, a crisis. Nearly 1 billion people live without clean drinking water. It's happening all over the world, especially in developing areas of sub-Saharan Africa, Southeast Asia, and Latin America. It's a water crisis because it starts with water. But water affects everything. Education, health, poverty, and especially women and children. Let's look at a family caught in the water crisis. It's likely they live on less than $1 a day. When they're thirsty, they can't just turn on the faucet for a nice cold glass of water. They don't have a faucet. Instead, the women and children go off to collect water. Many walk up to 3 hours a day to the nearest swamp, pond, or river to gather water that's been sitting out in the open, exposed to all kinds of germs. Time spent gathering water is time they can't spend learning to read, write, earn an income, or take care of their family. Some women in sub-Saharan Africa spend more time collecting water than any other activity they do in the day. And the walk isn't just hard, it's dangerous. The women are alone and burdened with 40 pounds of water. Many get hurt. Sometimes they're even attacked. When they make it home, the little water they've collected isn't clean. Some families know their water is contaminated with germs that cause diarrhea, dehydration, even death. But what choice do they have? Kids, especially babies, are affected most by these germs. About every 19 seconds, a mother loses one of her children to a water-related illness. And each day, almost 1 billion people are living this way. Until they get a little help. The water crisis is solvable. There are solutions. Some are brand new and innovative, like water filtration systems. Some are age-old, like drilled or hand-dug wells. These solutions bring clean water much closer to the people who need it. A safe water project near a village restores hours each day to a person's life. This time, it's opportunity. It's freedom to go to school, get an education, to work or start a business, to raise a family. Africa alone could save 40 billion hours each year. That's the entire annual workforce of France. Clean water means less disease. That's less money spent on medicine, which means more money for books and school uniforms. And if the water project is built near a school, it can increase attendance, especially among young girls. The water crisis is vast, but we can solve it. Just $20 can provide one person with access to a clean water project in their village. And this will mean more than clean water. Because water changes everything. Join us.
That video is all about how water changes everything. Now we'll tell you a few facts, and please donate to the charity Water. It will help a lot. Just $20 can get one faucet in one village. Now these are the facts.
To conserve water, you can drink tea or coffee. That means you don't need to use as much, and other water can be used for other people.
The water on Earth came from a meteor called the carbonaceous chondrite.
If you drank bottled water, it would cost about $1,400 a year. But if you drank it from a tap, it would only cost you about 50 cents a year.
If you waste water when you could be taking water from... If you waste water, then you could be taking water from frogs or any type of animals. You would know how they would feel.
Thank you. That's all for the show for now. Bye.
SBS News.